Hello and welcome to TechShort, and this is how to use the page mover. After logging in, you can get to the page mover by simply clicking Create Page Mover. Now here we are at the page mover. Underneath the pages, you will see different colors. Yellow will say it's in progress. Anything in green or black, these pages won't move. By default, the pages are moved together. So if we need to move this page in front of page 6, we simply click it, make sure that red bar is in front of page 6, and let go. We will get a pop-up asking us to confirm that we want to move those pages. Click yes, and the page is moved. If you see pages like this, they have a purple bar across them. These are DPS pages, and these DPS pages move together. If for any reason you need to move single pages, come over here to Action, switch to Single Page, and you can move a single page. If you want this page over here, then unclick. You'll be asked to, if you want to make that change, say yes, and the page is moved. The only pages that cannot be moved singly are these DPS pages. These DPS pages share something that go across the center line and they don't want to be separated. To fix this, you would have to find whatever is going across the center line and move it to one side or the other to move those pages. For any reason that you have made an error or you need to fix pages or move a page back, you can come over here to undo and you can click undo and move those pages back to whatever point you were. Any moves that are made here are automatically updated in the page ladder. There's no delay or waiting for them to catch up. And this is how to use the page mover. Thank you for watching.